everybody, my name is Jack and today you are on the channel of Kidzu Digital. So today we are going to be looking at something called the popcorn sales strategy. So let's pretend we are a cinema company. We're going to call ourselves Kidzu Digital for brand purposes. Okay, so we're a cinema company, we sell popcorn. 3 different options of popcorn. We've got the small option, I hope you can see that. We've got the medium option, and we've got the large option. Okay, so we've got 3 different option sizes for popcorn, and you've probably seen this in your local cinema. So now, as this brand, we want to decide how best we can create the most revenue from these 3 sizes of popcorn. So let me quickly write down. We've got the small, we've got the medium, and we've got the large. Now there's 2 ways we can do this. We could start by saying our small popcorn costs only £2.50. We've got our medium sized popcorn, which costs £5. And we've got our large popcorn, which costs £7.50. At first glance, this probably seems fine, but in reality, this really is not how you should be using your marketing. So let's take a look at the option we should use. Option B. So we have our small popcorn, it's £2.50. We're going to leave the medium one for a little second. We've got our large popcorn, which costs £7.50. So now let's say our large tub of popcorn makes us the most margins. So we want to, in reality, be selling this. Let's make some costs up for a second. Let's put our costs. Where should we put our costs? We'll put them in the boxes. Let's say the cost of a large bucket of popcorn costs £2. Yeah, £2 for the large bucket of popcorn. Let's say our medium bucket of popcorn costs £1. And then let's say our small bucket costs only 50p. Let's put that down. 15p. So, what's our profit for the small bucket? £2. The medium bucket, £4. And the large bucket, £5.50. So here I demonstrate we're making the most profit from our large bucket. So we want people to buy the large bucket. How are we going to do that? It's simple. We want to make the medium price higher. That's it. We want to make the medium price higher. We're not going to make it pricier than the large bucket of popcorn, obviously, but we are going to make it higher. So let's say we put this to £6.50. £6.50. Now what are people going to think? If I was to go into a cinema and I saw a small bucket of popcorn for £2.50, a medium bucket of popcorn for £5, or a large bucket of popcorn for £7.50, I'm most likely going to go for the medium. Because in your head, psychologically, you think, right, the large one is a bit too expensive, but I want more popcorn than the small one, so I'm going to go for the medium one. However, scenario B, what am I going to think? Well, I go in, I look at the small bucket and I think £2.50, that's quite cheap, seems reasonable. The medium bucket, £6.50, that is quite expensive. Large bucket, £7.50. Then I think to myself, right, so if the medium bucket's £6.50 and the large bucket's £7.50, that's £1 difference. And then you look at the bucket of popcorn and you see the size difference and you think, for £1 I get all that extra popcorn. Even if I went in there wanting a medium bucket, I believe that I now want the large bucket. Why? Because I think it's better value. I think £1 difference, I get a lot more. And what makes this even better is that it works in any industry. It doesn't matter whether you're a shoe seller, a bread seller. You could be say for example, a marketing agency. Now, most marketing agencies are based on price. Us personally, we do bespoke pricing, so we can't really use this method. However, say you're a marketing agency you've got 3 tier packages. You've got bronze, you've got silver, and you've got gold. Now let's say you do a bronze package for £250. Then you do a silver package for £750. Then you do a gold package for £1,000. Most of your clients will go for this gold package, and that's what's so amazing about this strategy. It really works. Now obviously it's not going to work 100% of the time. If it did, everyone would be doing it. If we look at scenario A, we will most likely see an equal divide in consumers between the 3 products. There may be more of a spike in product B, the medium popcorn package. However, we're most likely going to see some sort of equal divide between the 3. However, if we look at scenario B, in most cases you will see the peak being the £7.50 large bucket of popcorn. And this means increased revenue. I can't stress it enough. £5.50 profit, £4 profit, £2 profit. If you're making more sales on your large bag of popcorn, you are going to be making more profit. We do upload content all over our social medias. We've got Facebook, we've got Pinterest, we've got Twitter, we've got Instagram. If you look in the links below, please go and follow and like our pictures. We are sure you will get some value out of it. It's all about describing similar strategies to this, how you can implement different marketing methods inside your business, how you can sort out your finances, all of that sort of stuff. So please go down, check out our other socials. If you want to check my socials out, they will also be in the description. I've got my Instagram, my LinkedIn, and I'd love to get into contact with more of you. So if you'd like to learn more tips and tricks, maybe just have a casual chat with me, please follow my links in the description, my Instagram, my Facebook, my LinkedIn, and I'll be sure to message you back. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.